Did you just yawn while watching this? If so, you are not alone. Yawning is one of the most contagious behaviors humans have. But why does seeing someone yawn make us yawn too? The answer reveals something fascinating about your brain. Meet your mirror neurons, specialized brain cells that activate both when you perform an action and when you see someone else do it. These neurons are key to human empathy and social connection. When you see someone yawn, your mirror neurons fire as if you were yawning. And then guess what? You actually do. Check out this chain reaction. One yawn triggers another, and another. Here is something wild. Did you know you are taking a social test right now? Studies show that people with stronger empathy are more likely to catch a yawn. The more socially connected you feel to someone, the more likely you will mirror their yawn. So if you yawned during this video, congratulations. Your brain is wired for strong social connections. Sorry, could not resist. How many of you yawned again just now? Comment below.